Hi and welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Thank you for my new subscribers and welcome to the channel. Today something a little bit different. A fellow aviation YouTuber contacted me called Fun for Flyer, and he came with the idea of getting all the AV community together and sending lots of love back to you guys during the coronavirus period. Before I hand over to some of my YouTuber friends, I just wanted to say isolation is tough. If you want to reach out to me, please contact me on Instagram at Private Pilot Vlogs. I'd love to hear from you and we can pass the time of day together. But please stay safe, listen to the advice, and we'll get through this together.
Hi there! If you're watching this video right now, you'll probably have one of two responses. First, who is this guy? Or second, why does this episode of For Fun Fly starts this unusual? Well, it's all about making the world a less awful place than it is these days, by sharing one uniform encouraging message throughout a lot of aviation YouTube channels. If you're in quarantine or self-isolation or just in a really bad place at the moment, I would like to say to you, you're not alone in this. To show you I'm not alone in spreading this message, using the power of the aviation YouTube community, I asked a couple of other aviation YouTubers to say a couple of words of encouragement too. But before I hand over this video to the next YouTuber, I just want to say to you, I hope you and your family stay safe. This all will pass, and hang in there. Oh, and Mikey, thanks for having me on your show yesterday.
Hi guys, and very welcome to Mentor. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. So this is a video collaboration that I have done together with loads of other YouTubers out there, and the point of this is to send hope and love to you guys. I know that there's a lot of you out there who are now feeling afraid. You're doubting your decision to go into the business. You don't know maybe where you're going to get your next paycheck from or how long this crisis is going to take. The point I want to make with this video is that we've been here before. I started my own aviation career in 2002, just about 8 months after the aircraft had flown into the Twin Towers. There was no chance of getting a job, but I managed to get a job, right? And the aviation industry did what the aviation industry always does, is that it will be a few rough months or potentially even years after a major crisis like this, but it always takes off. And the reason for that is because we, the human race, we persevere and we are curious beings. We want to continue to explore. We want to continue to meet new cultures and see new things. And with that comes air travel. And air travel has gone through crises like 9/11, like the SARS outbreak, like the economical meltdown of 2008. And every single time there's been a little bit of a nudge in the overall curve, but the curve has continued to go upwards. And that is what's going to happen this time as well. I'm absolutely sure of this. Right? It might feel like you've suddenly been dropped into a black cave, but that cave is not actually a cave, it is a tunnel. And at the end of that tunnel, you'll see a light. It might take a while to reach that light, but we will, together, if we show perseverance, if we show resilience, hard work, and that we believe in each other, and we support each other throughout this time, we will reach that light at the end of the tunnel very quickly. I'm perfectly sure about this. So, guys, just hang in there. And let's try to do whatever we can to help each other. Maybe you know someone that doesn't have trouble right now. Maybe it's the time to reach out to a good friend of yours. It doesn't need to be in the aviation industry. It could be to your grandfather, or it could be to a friend of yours who just lost a job because of this. Make sure that we use this time now to utilize our best intentions as human beings. And I'm sure that we're going to get through this very quickly.
Hiya. Most of you probably don't know who I am, but my name is Tim Palmer. I fly a Jodel DR 1050 out of a small farm strip on a hill in East Anglia. I'm very proud to be part of the worldwide YouTube aviation community, and I'm pleased that in my own small way I've been able to upload 247 weekly videos to my channel. I do sincerely hope that you and your family are well, but we do know that this virus is a worldwide threat that we have to treat with major respect and to be careful and to be responsible. We are now facing new and unprecedented challenges of confinement and isolation. But, by the sound of it, the worst is still to come. But remember that we are all in this together. Before I hand over to the next YouTuber, I'd just like to say that over the past few days, we've seen the best in people and we've seen the worst in people. Now it's time to pull together so that we can all beat this wretched virus and get back to the lives that we had so much taken for granted. Take care, stay safe, keep strong.
Hi everyone, my name is Niels, I'm from Dutch Aviation blog, fellow aviator and friend of Jolmer. We are based at the same airport, Drachten Airport. I'm currently working on my modular ATPL course. I just wanted to say these are definitely some difficult times we're going through. For flight training it's difficult, but you know, for every part of the aviation industry it's very difficult times. But let's not get our hopes down. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. We can get through this and we can get through this together. There were in the past, of course, many events that gave aviation a run for its money, but it always survived and always got out stronger. So definitely this time the same will happen. We will get out stronger, and I'm sure that there will be some initiatives that will even help in this crisis. And first and foremost, of course, keeping our distances between each other, which is very important right now. Our elders built our countries for us. We owe them that much to keep them safe from any potential deadly disease. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you again in the sky very soon.
Hey guys, thanks for the invite onto this video, Jolmer, and all the For Fun Flyer fans. Huge fan of the channel myself. And I'm Ben, I'm from Ben Learning to Fly. I'm sure I'm in the description somewhere below. But yeah, just a little couple of words as I'm just starting my radio show here in the UK, that coronavirus is something that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And of course, it's easy to forget that flying is just a hobby for most of us who enjoy it so much. And I think we just need to think of the guys who it wasn't just a hobby, it's actually a career. So let's think of those guys. And even then there is light at the end of the tunnel. But stay safe and hopefully we can get through this together.
Hey guys, so it's Steve from Flight Chops here, and I'm in the same spot you're in. We're kind of all in a holding pattern. And I know it's easy to kind of get depressed at a time like this. We can't fly, everybody's kind of locked down, a lot of us are in isolation, quarantine, or just stuck in our houses, not able to see friends, not able to see family. But this is a time to kind of reflect on what we could do to improve ourselves. I mean, I know I often complain about being too busy to get things done. It took me forever to get my instrument rating done because I was distracted by so many things. Now is definitely a time to hit the books, do some studying, do some self-improvement. Make yourself a better pilot even when you can't fly. I mean, my sim here is kind of in pieces right now just because we're in the process of upgrading it to a G1000 setup. But I mean, this is definitely the time to use your sim if you've got one. You know, reach out social media or just other ways electronically to other pilot friends and compare notes, learn, improve, grow. There's a lot of cool constructive things we can do here while we're staying at home, being safe, and keeping the community safe by trying to slow down the spread of this virus and flatten the curve. But for now, we can do everything we can to get better. And yeah, it's really cool, a bunch of YouTubers getting together in the flying community to try to share some positivity and some love and just try to get better and stay happy. I don't know, it's tough. I feel ya.
Hi, my name is Klaus from the YouTube channel Skyfool. I fly microlights and do videos about the many tours I do in Germany with friends or other pilots from my club. At the moment our club is closed because of the restrictions here in Germany. Sports clubs are closed. The airfield is closed, but there are really more important things in the world now than flying. I'm fortunate that I can work from home. I'm here on my rooftop terrace and can enjoy the sun and the beginning of spring. So there will be an end of the situation and we all can go back to our loved planes. We fly our asses off when it's all over. And everything will be fine. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Pilot Frank. I come from Germany, and yeah, we are currently in the biggest crisis after the Second World War. But this time have also good ones. The first one is the nature breathes and recovers. The second one is we all have a little bit more time for us, for the family, for things we always want to do. Finally, the silent is not really empty or boring. The silent is full of answer. Thank you so much. All the best. See you.
Hi, friends of aviation. I'm Michael, a neurologist from Germany. So my channel's name is Hirnklempner. That means something like brain plumber. It's about microlight aviation and air rescue. It's a hard time for all of us. I wish you all stay healthy. I hope the people you love and your jobs are safe. And hopefully we will soon come back to the life we miss with security, prosperity, fun and much airtime. I'm looking forward to it. Take care of yourselves. And if there's someone beside us in heaven, God bless you. Stay optimistic and thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Mike McBride here. I have 1 minute, I guess, to give you guys some words of encouragement. You might recognize me from the TV show Ice Pilots or my YouTube show Plane Savers on my Mike McBride channel. Anyway, I can tell you some stuff. Everybody in the world is telling you stuff. I want to show you something. This aircraft right here is turning 80 years old today. Yes, 1940, the first flight of the Curtiss C-46. And while lots of airplanes in the world are grounded, the C-46, the Elder, is here providing food for all the northern communities. So watch this and let this be your words of encouragement.